Bay Windows Rowlett, Texas, are renowned for their expertise in delivering top-notch bay window solutions. These bay window experts in Rowlett provide a wide range of services, including bay window installation, bay window repair, and bay window replacement. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these bay window specialists ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. Custom bay windows in Rowlett offer homeowners the opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles and bay window options available, residents can choose the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Bay window customization allows for unique bay window dimensions and bay window features that cater to individual preferences and needs. Energy-efficient bay windows in Rowlett are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These bay window innovations incorporate advanced materials and technologies to provide superior insulation and energy savings. Bay window upgrades with energy-efficient options can significantly enhance the overall performance of your windows. Affordable bay windows in Rowlett make it possible for homeowners to enjoy the benefits of bay windows without breaking the bank. With competitive pricing and flexible financing options, bay window contractors in Rowlett offer cost-effective solutions for every budget. Bay window quality is never compromised, ensuring long-lasting durability and performance. Bay window design in Rowlett is constantly evolving, with new bay window trends emerging regularly. From traditional to contemporary styles, bay window aesthetics can be tailored to suit any taste. Bay window enhancements such as decorative glass, custom finishes, and unique shapes add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. Bay Windows Rowlett is essential for preserving the beauty and functionality of your windows. Regular upkeep and timely bay window repair can prevent costly damage and extend the lifespan of your windows. Bay window specialists in Rowlett offer comprehensive maintenance services to keep your windows in optimal condition. Bay window materials in Rowlett are selected for their durability, performance, and aesthetic appeal. From wood to vinyl and aluminum, each material offers distinct bay window benefits. Choosing the right bay window materials is crucial for achieving the desired look and performance for your home. Bay window dimensions in Rowlett can be customized to fit any space, providing a seamless integration with your home's design. Whether you're looking for a small reading nook or a grand panoramic view, bay window options in Rowlett cater to a variety of needs and preferences. Bay window solutions are designed to maximize natural light and create a spacious feel. Bay window features in Rowlett include a range of functional and decorative elements that enhance the overall appeal of your windows. From built-in seating to storage solutions, bay window enhancements offer practical benefits while adding charm and character to your home. Bay window trends in Rowlett often incorporate innovative designs and cutting-edge technologies. Bay window experts in Rowlett are dedicated to providing exceptional service and craftsmanship. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, these professionals deliver bay window solutions that exceed expectations. Bay window contractors in Rowlett are equipped to handle projects of all sizes, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience for homeowners. Bay Windows Rowlett are a key consideration for homeowners looking to improve their home's curb appeal. With a focus on design and detail, bay window customization allows for personalized touches that reflect individual style and taste. Bay window innovations in Rowlett continue to push the boundaries of design, offering new possibilities for creative expression. Bay window benefits in Rowlett extend beyond aesthetics, providing practical advantages such as increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views. Bay window upgrades can transform any room into a bright and inviting space, making them a valuable addition to any home. Bay window quality in Rowlett is assured through the use of premium materials and expert craftsmanship. Bay window solutions in Rowlett are tailored to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for a simple bay window replacement or a complete bay window design overhaul, Bay window specialists in Rowlett offer personalized service and expert guidance. Bay window contractors in Rowlett are committed to delivering results that enhance the beauty and functionality of your home.